Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. These haircuts are simple, stylish and easy to take care of. If you want to spend less time styling your hair and more time enjoying your day, these ideas may help you. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, light and easy to manage. You can wash it, let it dry and you are ready to go. It also helps keep your look neat without much effort. Many women love this haircut because it feels fresh and comfortable. Another great option is a short bob. A bob usually falls around the chin or just below it. This haircut looks elegant and works well with many face shapes. You can wear it straight, slightly wavy or simply natural. A bob can make your hair look fuller and healthier. The second haircut is the layered shoulder length cut. This style adds movement and volume to the hair. It is easy to maintain and looks beautiful even without much styling. Another great option is the pixie cut. This haircut is very short and requires very little day care. It can make you look modern, stylish and confident. Many women love it because it saves a lot of time. The long layers haircut is also a popular choice. If you like long hair but want less work, long layers can help. They add shape and make the hair look lighter and healthier. Next is the textured bob, also known as a long bob. This haircut falls around the shoulders and is easy to style. It looks good with natural waves and does not need much effort. For women with curly hair, a curly layered cut can be a wonderful choice. Layers help curls look more defined and reduce heavy weight. The shag haircut is another trendy option. It has soft layers and a relaxed look. If you are over 50 or 60, low maintenance haircuts can be especially helpful. A soft bob, layered cut or pixie cut can make you look elegant while being easy to manage. When choosing a haircut, think about your hair type, face shape and daily routine. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.